Hi, today I'm reviewing the Ordinary's L-Ascorbic Acid Powder. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money, so you know you can trust my opinion is what I honestly believe. And I just wanted to thank everyone for their support of the channel with all the palettes that you guys have purchased. I really appreciate it. And always see the link below for more information and more ways to support the channel. So the Ordinary is definitely not shy of vitamin C products. They've got a wide assortment of them, almost any formulation you want. They've got serums, liquids, they've got the powders, they've got creams, moisturizing creams. So they've got lots of products with vitamin C, which is good because vitamin C is a very good thing to have in your routine, especially in the daytime and especially right before you apply sunscreen. Vitamin C helps fight free radicals and pollution and just bad things in the air. So it will certainly help your skin stay bright and healthy, and it's a good boost for antioxidants before you apply your sunscreen. So that's why when I saw the Ordinary had their powder, I had to purchase that because I really hadn't done a lot with vitamin C powders before. So I liked the fact that it's just a pure powder, and I also like the fact that you can kind of mix it and kind of create kind of custom serums of your own. But let me open that up for you. So it's literally just a powder, almost, I won't say what that looks like, but it's literally just a very fine white powder, and they actually give you like the cutest little spoon to use. So you just use, I would say if you're just starting to use this, start with like a quarter of a spoonful and mix it in. But be careful with what items you mix it in with, because you don't want to mix it with a lot of other acids. Niacinamide is one, and the other one is their EUK 134. You don't want to mix it in with that either. But I would say try to avoid mixing with a lot of other acids. And I'll show you what I've used to mix this with. So let me start from the top. My first criteria is packaging.
He's got a package.
And the jar packaging is really the only way to go with a powder like this. So I did not knock them for that. And also you're going to be mixing this with your own other serums. So and typically right when you mix it, you're going to apply it, so there's not a lot of time for it to become ineffective. Just don't mix large batches of it, you know, in a head for the week. Oh, Lincoln wants to say hi. Hi, Lincoln. He's very naughty. He's been digging a lot of deep holes in the backyard the last few days. So we took a muddy bath, and that was not very fun, I'll say. Anyway, so yeah, so I would just recommend mixing this for the day that you're going to use it, and then mix it the next day. Don't mix it for a week ahead or anything like that, because then it will have time to become ineffective. So number 2 is alcohol.
Alcohol, the cause of and solution to all of life's problems.
Well, no alcohol in this. Number 3 is fragrance.
My God, what is that smell?
And thankfully no fragrance in this either. It's literally just 100% L-Ascorbic acid, which I'm probably pronouncing wrong, but anyway. Number 4 is the manufacturing location.
Where is it made?
And this is made in Canada, so no issues there. Number 5 is ease of use.
Not as easy as it used to be.
And I did not give them a thumb up for that, solely because it is a little bit tricky at first. You want to be careful not to mix too much, especially if you don't have a lot of familiarity with vitamin C products, because a little bit of too much can cause a lot of burning. A little bit of tingling or burning is okay, but a lot is not good, and you're going to want to rinse it off. So it's difficult at first to get the right amount for your skin type. And the other thing is you can definitely really do some bad things by mixing with the wrong ingredients or the wrong serums. A couple things I mix it. I mean, you can mix it in with your cleanser, your mask, serums, moisturizing creams, night creams, pretty much anything you can imagine. So a couple things I've mixed in with squalene oil. That's one. I've mixed in with my Drunk Elephant Protini cream. You can mix it, I haven't tried it yet, but with the Coperi coconut melt, you can mix a little bit in with that. Clinique Moisture Surge is another one you can mix it in because it doesn't contain niacinamide. And then the Ordinary's Buffet is another one you can mix it in with, but just be careful. The first time I was going to mix it, I was going to use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum, which I used twice a day faithfully for like a year. And I was going to mix it in with that, and thankfully I stopped and read the ingredients first because that does contain niacinamide, and that can definitely cause a lot of burning or tingling. So just be careful before you mix it with anything, because you want to make sure it doesn't contain any direct strong acids, especially the niacinamide. So, but it's kind of fun because you can kind of customize it, and it can help you avoid a layer of another product. So just be very careful, and after you use it for a few weeks, you kind of get the hang of how much is a good amount and which products it works best in. So number 6 is antioxidants.
For the antioxidants.
And obviously it got a thumb up there because it is itself an antioxidant. But like I said before, just make sure you're mixing on a daily basis. Don't mix it too far ahead, because then it has time to degrade and become less effective due to exposure to light and air. Number 7 is animal testing.
If there's going to be any animal testing, I'm going to do it.
And the Ordinary is cruelty-free. Number 8 is performance.
This usually works.
Well, performance issues, you know, it's not uncommon.
And I definitely gave it a thumb up there. It performs quite well when you mix it with what works best for you. I've usually been using it most of the time with the Clinique serum, and sometimes, just depending on what routine I'm doing that day, the Drunk Elephant. Those are the two I'm mixing with the most. But you can have fun with it and try different things. Try it in a cleanser. Obviously, hi. What's up? Hi. I think he's a little bored today. It's snowing in April in Minnesota, so not a lot of fun to have. But just be careful, and you know, a cleanser obviously gets rinsed off, so it's not going to have a ton of time to help your skin, but a little bit, and a little bit of this goes a long way. So I can imagine a jar like this lasting at least 6 months. So and then price.
What's the price you pay?
Which is ridiculous. It's $5.80, which is crazy because a lot of vitamin C serums, like SkinCeuticals has one that I think is well over $150, which it's got a few more ingredients in it, but this is a nice way for a very affordable price to boost your brightness and your skincare. So price is definitely right. And the number 10 is the It Factor, and I gave it a thumb up there. Vitamin C always kind of has its kind of a new beginning every time spring comes in the States, and it is promoted more and people start to use it more, especially with their sunblocks. So, and pretty much anything from the Ordinary has become pretty popular, and a lot of times they're sold out. I think this was sold out on their website for quite a while before I was able to get my hands on it. So, but anyway, my little thing just to remind you guys not to use a full scoop if you haven't used a lot of vitamin C, or specifically this product before. Start with 1/4 to 1/2 of a scoop. That's what I wish they would have made, like a couple different size scoops, maybe like one for beginners, one for advanced, one for experienced. I don't know, but they didn't do that. But that's because the price is $5.80. So anyway, I'm overall this got a 9 out of 10, which is 2 thumbs up, pretty good. Only thing is the ease of use, which you have to kind of get accustomed to it. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to give this a try yet or not, or if you've tried any of the other vitamin C serums from The Ordinary. Just wondering, what have you tried and how have you liked it? How have you liked the texture? Some of them can get to be a little gritty, I've noticed, certain of theirs, but this, when you mix it in pretty well, I didn't notice any grittiness or any issues like that. So, but some of theirs do have a gritty, sticky texture, so I don't know. Typically, you're going to layer this anyway, so it's not as big of an issue, but so anyway, feel free to subscribe if you're not already. I come out at least do 1 new review every day, and also check out nobsbeauty.net. Thank you so much, guys.